Good evening and welcome back to the Millside Kitchen. Can't cook, but now you have to. Remember, as much as I'm probably overhydrated, to stay hydrated. It's a very important key element to the cooking process. Tonight we're going to be doing crispy onions, stroke to back onions, which is another one you've all been asking for. So I'm going to pass you over to Stephanie here, who's going to talk you through the process. And where you go.
Tonight, folks, we're going to do, as Darrell says, to back onions. So what we're going to do, first of all, this is our onions, and we have already pre-sliced these. If you haven't got a slicer, don't worry about it. As thin as you can slice them, small, medium, large onions, whatever you can get a hold of. Then we're going to season them with salt. Again, don't tell your doctor. Add as much salt. And then we take a handful into flour. We're going to toss them in the flour. This is, to be fair to back onions, we use this quite a lot in Millside. So if you can get this right, like the velouté, this is a base for a lot of our dishes. We have the fryer set here at 190. I'm just tossing this off because as much as you want to coat the onion, the more you can toss off, the better it is. Now be very, very careful when we put these in the fryer. These are gonna, well, I don't have a large amount going in, so it's not going to be drastic, but they will flare up if the fryer's as warm as it should be. So we're just tossing this off. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take any wee sort of, you got one. And just, you're going to take out these to skim the wee bits. Make sure there's nothing, because you don't want them joining in with your onion.
Sorry, missed that.
My lovely assistant Debbie missed that bit, so we'll talk to her later. But anyway, let's keep going with the video. I love that. Where's me? So what we're going to do is keep hitting these so that you don't want them to cluster together, and this is normal. Don't put too much in at once, because what will happen is the oil will flare up and go over the sides, and it's extremely dangerous. Just keep tapping them. There's still a wee bit of this stuck in this side. So just keep tapping the onions, keep them separated, and keep turning them. And again, you're just cooking nice and crispy. You want a nice colour, nice consistency, not joined together, not wet. If they're wet, don't take. This is the way it should be. Look, you see the way this is nice and dry, not stewy and stuck together. And to be fair, that'll only happen if you go too far in advance. This is a small fryer, which most people are going to be working with at home, so it's very hard to get these right in it. And it's very hard to do bulk quantities. But if there's only a few in the house, it's not too bad. You can do these a day in advance as well. Don't stress. We'll show you the dishes we use these for. I think it's hard to know with this temperature. We use higher temperatures, but I'm nearly sure this is okay. So I'm going to hold these up a wee second, get the grease off them. And then we're going to put them into this dish. And that is our crispy onions. That's part one. We're going to do a few more dishes where we're going to need these, and that's why we wanted to show you them. Enjoy to back onions, crispy onions from Darrell and myself. I think he's. I'll just drink his.
Spectating.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching.